No, I like all that. You should know sound good. What will the other? What is this one? The other textbook, lecturers when you include them with I give us separately. I have my own code. Okay. And the this one will write one and numbers supposed to write small s on top, not this one. One number.
Minister Thomas, can you mute your mic? You're disturbing.
One number.
Please, if you are not talking, mute your mic. Oh. When it's 40
Hello? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello?
Good
Yeah.
afternoon, ma.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. We can hear you.
We can hear you, ma. We can hear you, ma. Hello?
Hello, we can hear you. Hello?
Hello.
Good
Hello.
afternoon, sir. Hello? Good
Yes,
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
yes. Thank God you are back here.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. So, as of this morning, we're trying to look at greenhouse gases. We try to look at a few things about it. And then, look at the greenhouse effect. global warming and climate change. So this was the last slide we were looking at, right?
Yeah.
We looked at carbon dioxide, we looked at methane, nitrous oxides, trying to talk about the fluorinated gases. And it can be sulfur, hexafluorides, nitrogen fluorides, and the rest. Okay. If you remember, we tried to talk about the greenhouse gases and their various contributions in percentages to the greenhouse effect. Look at the chemical nature of the gases, which tells how strong they can be, and the way their chemical nature tells how they can vibrate and retain heat. Okay?
Yes.
So we'll try to see the contribution of now. This slide now talks about the contribution of greenhouse gases to climate change. You know, I was telling that it's good to know the link, right? So
Yes.
when the gases linger in the atmosphere, the stronger they are bond. Remember, we're looking at the chemical nature of the bonds of the various gases, right? Hello?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So the stronger their bonds, the more they can cause heat trapping in the atmosphere. And the effect of each greenhouse gas depends on the following: concentration, duration, and then frequency. I hope you understand what concentration means. I hope you understand what concentration means. So by concentration, we're comparing the amount of a particular substance as compared to the other. Now, if we're talking of concentration of a gas, if a gas goes into the atmosphere, you consider how much of that gas is with respect to the others already in the atmosphere. So if, for instance, you have 2 cubes of sugar in Gary and you have 5 cubes of sugar, which one will you feel the effect more?
The 5.
The 5 means that
5.
when you look at the quantity of sugar as compared to Gary, it is increasing. So that means the concentration has increased. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
So these gases now,
Yes, sir.
their effect depends on the concentration, and which means that the more they get into the more their sources, the higher the concentration, and then the more effect it will have on the atmosphere. Now, the duration of their contribution, for instance, for a long time you have a stock of a particular greenhouse gas. That is, if, for instance, through flaring that will take place for 1 year, and the one that will take place for 1 month. Which one do you think will have a significant contribution of the amount of the gas into the atmosphere? The one for a longer duration, right? So the
Yes,
longer
sir.
the
1
duration,
year.
the more the effects of the greenhouse gas on the atmosphere, the environment. And potency, how strong the gases contribute to the heating of the earth is because of their global warming potential, GWP. We'll be looking at GWP as time goes on. Okay? All the
Yes.
various gases have their own various GWPs, their potential. Okay? It's like a constant or standard for each gas. So let's look at climate change as global warming. I think this one I want us to participate. What do you understand by climate change, and what do you understand by global warming? We've spoken about this before. Although we're looking at it, and some people attempt to explain in their own words what we understand by climate change and then global warming. How do they differ? How do they compare? How are they similar? Okay. So who is going to try?
Okay, sir. I will make an attempt.
Okay.
Yes, the term global warming, to me, it's gearing towards only surface, the rise in the temperature of on the surface of the earth. But climate change, it embraces even the rise in temperature and other factors.
Okay. So, just like you have said, global warming, as the name implies, is not about warming of the globe. And this is done, for instance, what we've explained that is the greenhouse gases that cause the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is what brings about global warming, right? And we know what are the causes of it: the escape of oil, the sources of these greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, the anthropogenic activities, right? Like deforestation, industrialization, mining activities. They are all anthropogenic activities, right?
Yes.
Agricultural practices that cause the increased emission of these gases into the atmosphere. What's the background noise?
Please, if you are not talking, mute your mic.
Okay. Why climate change encompasses, so global warming is a subset of climate change, okay? And it refers broader to the range and change of what happens to our planet, including rising sea levels as an effect from warming of the polar regions of the globe. So when ice melts, like we said, when the state change from solid to liquid, we have larger volume to contend with, right? So at
Yes.
higher temperatures, there's corresponding higher volume, right? So we now have to contend with a lot of water high. So the sea level now rises. I hope you know that the waters of the world are all interconnected. The
Yes.
various
Yes.
things we have behind our houses, they are all connected into the high sea. So once there's increase in the volume of water, it affects everywhere. So that is why you see that some rivers or some dams now overflow their banks. Okay, the water
Yes.
must find its way into its various channels. Okay. So the melting of ice at the Arctic and the Antarctic regions, it shifts and it now changes a lot of things, flooding and all of that. So the sun can influence Earth's climate, but it isn't responsible for the warming trend we have seen in recent times. So why is that so? Why is that statement so? Please, let's contribute. Why won't the sun be an influence to the Earth's climate? Time to unmute and talk.
Uh-huh.
Doctor, how is your child doing? Hello, is Doctor there? Ode. Ode was complaining that he cannot hear. Now that he's hearing, he's quiet. Hello, who is there?
Yes, I'm
Everybody
here
has
too.
left.
No, no, no.
I can see.
But we are all here. We are here.
So I asked a question. Nobody is answering.
The network is not letting us speak freely.
Yeah. Yeah, yes, sir.
Dorcas. Is Dorcas here there? Hello?
Sir, I'm here, but network is breaking, so I can barely hear you.
Okay.
And then because there's no background check, don't allow those kind of people crime quickly to contract us into a very difficult situation. This should tend to enable us to register.
The slide now, the slide that is the current slide. I can hardly hear who is speaking, sorry.
Hello? Hello?
It's like he's having next network challenge. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
It's like he's having network challenge.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there was a question on ground.
Okay,
Yes, you were.
I still see my slide share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the last bullet point there, can influence.
Sound is noisy. Attempt to answer the question.
Okay. Can I talk, sir?
Why
Can I
is that
talk?
so? Who is talking now?
Okay, Agatha, sir. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Agatha, I think you can go ahead. I think he can hear you, but he can't just speak now. Maybe for
Okay.
the
The
Yes.
sun does not affect the
The problem
climate
is
change.
somebody is talking. Okay, let's go. Okay, good.
The sun
Let's go.
said the sun is not responsible for the present climate change trend we're
Yes.
seeing. What is responsible for it is the human activity. The human activity that is amplified by the greenhouse effect. That is what is responsible for the current climate change we're seeing.
What is happening now? Maybe the network is very bad at his end. And today is almost gone. This afternoon section is always mad.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes,
Sun
sir.
itself is not responsible for warming we have seen in recent times. It's not responsible for warming we have seen in recent times. It's not responsible for warming we have seen in recent times.
Yes, I wanted to attempt that question. Then the network is just, I don't know if I can go on.
Please go ahead.
Okay, so the key thing here is the rate of this change. So the sun's temperature has increased over the time, but in the last decade, it has not really changed. But it is these human activities that is increasing this temperature more, that is causing this global warming, in the sense that human activities have not declined, like the production of these greenhouse gases. It's on the increase. So the heat is more trapped in the atmosphere by these greenhouse gases. So in the past decade, that is what has caused this global warming more than what the energy the sun is giving.
Thank you so much. Who's the person that just spoke?
Sydney, sir, Sydney.
Okay, Sydney. So that was very nice, very correct. Now the way you approach those questions is look at what the sun has always been constant.
Yes.
Its attributes, its position, everything about it has been constant. You know that is the earth that is moving around the sun, right?
Yeah.
So nothing about the sun changes. So if there's more heat on the earth, then we've come to understand that there's something called greenhouse effects. Now, those gases that cause the greenhouse effects, what are their sources? You will discover that most of it is anthropogenic activities, right?
Yes.
And those things are affecting some of those natural things. For instance, the production of CO2 by the plants
Yes.
is being influenced by human activities, by maybe deforestation and all of that. Okay? So, and human beings are increasing on Earth. These activities of industrialization and all of that are increasing, right? So that's what is causing the global warming by altering the greenhouse effects through the components of the gases. Okay? So now let's look at the global warming potential, like we mentioned it before. What did you mention about the global warming potential? So we now said that how any of the components of the greenhouse gases influence or contribute to the heating of the earth depends on the global warming potential of that particular gas. If you use as the display now the last Hello?
Can hear
Yes, we
you
can
too.
hear you.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Yes.
Can hear you, sir.
This network is really bad. Huh. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Some of us were not hearing.
Are we there?
Yes.
Can you hear me? So please, class rep. Where is the class rep? Can you drop your WhatsApp number for me? Let me send some slides to you.
That's better.
Okay, sir.
Would that,
Okay, sir.
would that be a better deal?
Yes, sir.
Very well, sir.
I think
Very well.
slides on global this thing. You know, the first item is greenhouse effects.
Yes, sir.
Greenhouse gases, greenhouse effects, global warming, and climate change, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So maybe I'll just drop those slides for if you send me a WhatsApp number, I'll drop it.
So I think you have sent a WhatsApp number there already.
Okay, has it been sent? Let me look at it before the thing.
Yes, there is one WhatsApp number he sent on the platform.
Okay, let me pick it before it goes off again.
Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm. So I'll do that. Sorry, time out. What's the name again?
Abu living on Stenengi. Abu Tenengi.
IS class rep. Okay, I'll send that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we've already gotten somebody that will talk to us next. So I'm meeting you next on Thursday.
Okay.
My colleague will take care of tomorrow.
Okay,
sir.
So I'll see you guys. Sorry about the network. I don't know whether to apologize on behalf of the service providers or on behalf of myself. I don't know.
Is there any possibility that the lectures a better time? Maybe the network.
I thought I was the cause, but I don't think it's only me.
No, it's not only from your side.
Well, let's manage. We are Nigerians who are good managers. Let's keep managing, okay?
Exactly.
We must move ahead. So, you guys enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you so much.
Doc, good day.
Hello?
So what he sent, where is the appropriate, where is the best place for me to share for you guys to pick from? Is it the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, share it.
I suggest we have our own WhatsApp group.
I sent you a message.
WhatsApp group. Yes.
Class rep.
Ma?
I sent you a message. Just create a WhatsApp group that's just for us students so that we can drop in these messages so we don't clock the major one with our things.
Okay.
Very well.
Yes,
That's my
that's
thinking.
the best.
That's the best decision.
I hope
Yes, that
Dorcas
should be okay.
call. Dorcas, ma. Dorcas. Ma?
Class rep, I have copied your number, so I will just chat you on WhatsApp. Then you add me to the group.
Sorry, ma. Is Dorcas on this call?
I don't think.
Class rep. Class
Ma,
rep.
sir?
I think, class rep, I think your number is there. Everybody
Is that
should
your
copy it so that they will chat you on WhatsApp and you will
Class
add
rep.
everybody.
Yes. That's what will happen. Sir? Copy the number and chat me up so that I can create the group. Everybody, drop your number for me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you guys tomorrow.
Thank you.
Are you Tenenge?
Yes, I'm Tenenge.
Class rep.
Yes.
Class rep.
Tenenge. Sir?
Tenenge, okay. You can use Tenenge, right?
Yes.
You can use Tenenge. Is that your number?
Yes,
Okay,
that's my number.
I'll add you. That's your WhatsApp number.
Yes, that's my WhatsApp number.
Okay, so that you add me too. I'll send my number.
I did not get the number. So the best thing
See his number there.
Go to the chat now, copy the number from there, then you will paste it on your WhatsApp.
It's on the chat. It's on the chat.
Yes. Pedri, Jesus. Diga.
Which number is on the chat, please?
That place is not just it's a life and a lifestyle that you must have in practice and in that is the law I need to provide.
Good afternoon. The admin's number.
And plus, it's a life you have to people and go outside publicity